So, hello guys, welcome once again. I just got a knock on the door, and that is not my cause. Things happen, and we accept things as they are. So, I just had to go. I just had to get that video short just the way it was. So, I'm just gonna, because I want to be real with whatever I am doing. I'm just gonna upload it, and I'm also going to upload this one. So this video will you'll have to watch the previous video so you understand where we're coming from. But I had said I was just randomly talking about the stuff that these motherfuckers are doing online. So oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, that is oh my, excuse me. So you guys, if you want to know, if you want to get better with time, stick stick to what I'm doing. Let me show you what I'm doing, and I'm sure if you don't relate, just leave. If you don't get to relate with what I am saying, if it doesn't benefit you, just leave. But for now, just give me some time. Let me explain some concepts. Let me explain some logic, and everything is gonna be good. So we can see that on Friday, 30th January 2026. Price corrected all of these buy side delivery, and just just rebalance this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, which was created on Tuesday, 20th January 2026. That is real insane movement because this is almost over 700 pips with one in one day. So that is over delivery. That is over delivery. The charts are plain as you can see them here, but once I'm going to just put 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 a drawing on the chart, every drawing that I had will appear because I'm just hiding so that you can see, you can have a clear view of the market as it is, as clear as it is. um so we can see that price on Friday delivered immediately 771 pips. That's a lot. That's a lot in one day. But I don't think it's a lot on gold because this thing stretches, and once it decides to correct, it does aggressively. It does it aggressively in a way that it is abnormal to even understand and comprehend. So we can see price close on Friday was 48.95.440, and that is where price closed on Friday, 48.95.440. After rebalancing to this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, that's a daily BC. This one here, as you can see. Um, and I quickly want to go to how price did this, not why it did it. I'm not really focused on why it did it because it's it's wide open there because of because of what they're selling out there, the fear that they're selling out to people that the world is ending. You say that, okay? And they're gonna bring out something big, and it's they usually have this story underlying uh their actions. They create a problem, and then they try to solve it. That's what they do. It's a stupid. It's a staged play. It's stupid, bro. It's really stupid. So we quickly go to the 1 hour time frame, and we can see that this is where we open. Uh, Price open on Friday at 54 18.645, and having closed on Thursday at 5370.135. We can see the price reused this new day opening up on Thursday. new day opening up on Thursday, and just the candles hammering on top of that, and immediately switching delivery. These also hammers that because there's a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on the 1 hour time frame. You can see it here. You can see it there. Immediately price doesn't want to go higher. It just wants to come for sell side liquidity. And you spot these immediately. You notice that you spot these because you have these underlying PD arrays that are guiding you to where price is going to deliver. And remember, we say price is delivering from inefficiencies and imbalances while it's rating on liquidity. Because why liquidity? Because liquidity is those motherfuckers that are supposed to be converted into cash. Um, These are breakaway gap, another breakaway gap. These are these are breakaway gap. Price price don't come back to breakaway gaps. This one here because it's so aggressive and it just wants to deliver. It's so bearish, and anybody who's gonna think that price is bullish at that time is fucked up. Anybody who's trying to buy this shit when it's doing this type of shit, you're going to be cooked as fuck. So we go immediately to our trading time, which is from 7 a.m. New York time to 12 p.m. New York time. We can let's assume we just got here, okay? We just got this time. So we are seeing this buy side liquidity, and we are also seeing this buy side liquidity, and that's what is going to be on my mind, right? So this one here, and this one here. Those all those are in my mind, and I don't have imbalances from here to here. So we're going to refer to other imbalances that were created previously. As I said, all these imbalances and inefficiencies and all these PDRAs, all these points of interest, when they are created on the market, they can be reused because price is repricing all of those PD arrays. So you can simply observe how this 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency was reused here, and it was reused perfectly because you can see how candles are hammering to the consequent encroachment of that imbalance, and with that you can see that it's going to be used as an IFVG for price to deliver lower. So we are going to switch the time frame here from 7 to 12 and see how price delivered. But first, I want you to witness that this is a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. This one here and this one here. So don't say I'm putting up things that I'm making up. This is an imbalance. Then this is an imbalance. I'm only using things that the market is leaving behind. I am not doing my own thing. And if you're trading out there and you are not making use of these candlesticks and what price is leaving behind to at least try and predict, try and tell where the market is going to, you are fucked up. Price uses, we say price use this 1 hour BC as an IFVG to deliver lower to immediately I see price leaving here. This is my this is my next area of interest. This one here, it's going also this 1 hour BC is going to be another area of interest that I'm going to use. This one here, because in all this price printing, there is no other buy side imbalance. So we have this. This one can be used, but you also have to include this volume imbalance there. But I rather choose to use this because it's next to what price is doing at this specific time. Remember, all these videos are also used with time. So price is printing printing with time, and at the same time using PD arrays to show where it's going. So this one obviously, this new day opening up, pretty sure price we use this one very well on a lower time frame. And this is also an area of interest. This is a discount array, that's a daily BC. And price creates this necessary imbalance. This one is going to be used after, not right now, because we are going to be looking at what price did here. All right, I don't know if you get me. So we're going to hide that. We're going to use it later. Um, switch back lower, switch lower to the 15 minutes time frame. Oh my God, this is beautiful price delivery. I don't know why I just wasted all my time doing that bullshit. Doing bullshit that wouldn't even have helped me a bit. Oh my God. But I learned a lot. I really learned a lot for real. I did learn a lot, and I give thanks that I came across these these man that taught me how to read the language of the markets. He really helped me a lot. So we put out these imbalances on the 15 minutes time frame. There's an imbalance there, also an imbalance there. These imbalances are going to be reused again, and we're going to witness that here, you and me. This is a breakaway gap. Price don't need to come back to breakaway gaps. This signifies that we are fucking bullish. We are fucking sorry. We are fucking bearish, and we don't want to go higher anymore. Um. So you see, this is 7. This is 12 p.m. And just look at how price is hammering on top of this. I mean, you have this is what you're seeing, and you have other motherfuckers showing you things that aren't even aren't even making sense. So are you going to try and understand what the market is doing, or are you just going to the market to force your shit and try and make a dollar? You If you want to be profitable, and it comes with time. If you want to be profitable, try and understand what the market is doing, because that is what is going to make you consistent in this industry. That is what is going to make you survive. That is what is going to make you a beast. That is what is going to make you the wolf of the Wall Street. The wolf of the Wall Street wasn't a trader. He was just a motherfucker who was stealing things, and they just praised him. He ain't nothing. So we have this CB and this one here. So put them in mind. You can see how price views that the kind of get the bodies don't even want to come to these imbalance. But the wick, look at what the wick is doing. And what time is that? At 9:30. At 9:30. So this buy side liquidity not used. I have this one. This one here. All right. I have that one here. That one there. So, oh my God, just this one just happened to be so far away. Sorry for that. I just had to go and get it. I just had to go and get it. I just had to go and get it. So these are buy side liquidity. There's a minor buy side liquidity. Price comes for it immediately at 7 and converts these motherfuckers into cash, and it just wants to deliver low because it's hammering on on these 1 hour BCS and IFVG. And remember, it's at the consequent encroachment of that. And also, we have this buy side, this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. This It's a CB. I'm sorry. Once again, I keep getting these hiccups. These and immediately price starts to pull itself lower. Just look at these. Oh my god. Just look at. I am not just saying stupid shit. Look at this. This is beautiful. We also have this one here, but as long as we have this IFVG, the BC, we can also keep on going, keep on just adding these imbalances that it's making. They, oh, you want something that's perfect, and what this FVG is not perfect. Hey, it's using it, and it's also using another. So it's using so many points of interest, and it has to respect all of them at the same time. I don't know if you're getting that, but if you get it, you're good to go. So we switch to the 5 minutes time frame. Quickly going to what price did on Friday. If you're a beginner, if you don't know what you're doing, this is for you. This is for you. Oh my god, this is for you. This is also for my bro. Yep, this is also for my brother, not for you only. He's also a beginner. Look at that one. Look at these kind of sticks. Just look at how they're printing. Just look at how when price is look at how these kind of sticks these bodies are. But when price starts to approach this liquidity, its volatility, the volatility of this kind of stick starts to decrease and decrease, decrease to the lower. Taking out that buy side liquidity, we have these sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and we have this one here. So on the 5 minute time frame, this one is coming out clear. Sorry, there. You you can just witness the masterpiece of this fucking shit. You can just see. You can just see how this is a CB. Sorry, 5 minute CB. That's a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Just look at how this kind of sticks. What did I say? Price is using all of these video rays at the same time, and it's trying to compensate on all of them at the same time, and it can't leave none. It doesn't leave nothing. So just look at how those bodies are respecting the top of that 5 minute CB. You can also see that the price doesn't want to leave this liquidity, comes for it. So price prints lower, uses this imbalance to deliver lower, takes out these ones here, these tops here with these candlestick, delivers lower, and uses again this imbalance. Sorry, I gotta take out the this extending to the right. It's already making my chart dirty. This is we are not supposed to forget that this is the 15 CB. We're gonna put this text to the right so that it becomes clearer. There we go. So we can see how price is reusing this perfectly. Sometimes you don't even need much. Sometimes you don't even need 1,000 pips. Sometimes you need, bro, come on. This is 530 pips from here to here. That's already more than what you asked for, bro. That's already more than what these motherfuckers are trying to do out here, chasing 5 pips, 20 pips. I don't do that shit. This is 530 pips on a 5 minute candlestick.